Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
and Spice. This week we're making Corleone family meatballs. One of our favorite dishes to make when our friends come over are spaghetti and meatballs. So this week we are making them to go along with one of our favorite movies of all time.
One of the best movies of all time, ranked number 2 on IMDb.
What?
The Godfather.
The Godfather. These meatballs are really easy, which is great because you, or the two of us, can pay attention to our friends, drink some wine, and kind of forget about them on the stove while they're cooking.
And have time to watch a 3-hour movie.
Heck yeah!
So what do we do first?
So they're pretty simple. We are going to add some fresh cracked pepper, a lot of pepper, shallot.
Next we have diced garlic.
Of course we're adding salt. Whoop! And we are also adding our red pepper flakes. Bink. We'll also add 2 eggs. I'd like to tell you, the largest meatball to date is 222 pounds.
How do they bake that?
I don't know. So that's...
Our meatballs won't be that big, but they will be just as tasty.
They'll probably be way, way, way more tasty than a 200-pound meatball.
That's true.
We're adding panko breadcrumbs. Finally, we're adding parsley.
So then we just mix.
Mix that baby up. We are making a recipe for 6, so we'll make about 12 meatballs out of this. Just divide it up and start rolling.
I have some good Godfather facts.
Let's
for
hear.
You. The scene that I have remembered since I saw this movie when I was young was the horse head scene.
Uh-huh.
When they were rehearsing for that scene, they used a fake horse's head. When they really shot the scene, the actor apparently didn't know that they'd gotten a real horse's head from a dog food company. So when he screams in that scene, reportedly, it was because he did not know there was a real horse head in the bed with him.
Once all of your meat is well incorporated with your ingredients, we're gonna heat up some oil in our large pan. To make the meatballs, you kind of want to just ball one hand and then keep the other one sort of flat and rotate it. You don't want to squish too hard because you want the inside to be nice and light.
What a good meatball tip, Tosh.
Tasty tip. You want to brown your meatballs on all sides, and then once they're nice and brown, you're going to add your sauce, let them simmer for 15 minutes, turn them over, and give them 15 more minutes.
We've let our meatballs simmer in the sauce for 30 minutes. We flipped them over halfway through, and now it's time to taste.
For the eating.
And here we have some Coppola wine, which is a fun little play on the director of The Godfather.
Your favorite hard cheese.
This one is a Midnight Moon cheese.
Some red pepper flakes. And finally, some torn basil. How bomb does this look?
So I'm ready to try this bad boy.
Cheers! That's a big bite.
The garlic and all the spices we put in.
Really delicious.
They
Flavorful, also really light.
Is that right?
Tasty, delicious. What are you asking?
Your friends will be begging for more. They're gonna love coming over to watch The Godfather, and
you also have to make our Italian chopped salad.
Yum!